Lamborghini Huracan Performante. It never gets old seeing this car. I really like this car. I like the Huracan body style. It just looks really good. I'm not sure how I feel about forged carbon still, compared to like regular carbon, but it's nice. Nice clean black interior. Alcantara with red stitching. Really nice. This one is in because we are tinting the side windows and the front windshield. Giving some privacy. Owner just bought this car. It's actually a pretty cool font.
Nice one-piece cursive.
You have it done?
He's like, go find out.
It's in! No, it's not.
Man, it's the Performante font! See? Has the hooks. We good. We Gucci. Dude, it is exact.
It's off, bro.
It is exact. Has the little hooks. It's got those.
No, you see how much sharper this one is? You have an Aero, the other one's like kind of more, it's like sharper. You know what I mean?
Well, when things are tiny, they're sharp like a penis.
Oh,
Yeah, I guess you're right. Be honest, you like it small and sharp. That's all they'll fit.
yeah, you're right.
So now that we got that Performante sticker done, let me show you what that looks like. Cool little subtle flex underneath the wing. Really can't see it unless you're looking for it. It's like, hey, you know, I'm here. Besides that, we also tint all the sides in the back. Sterolux 33, but it's still legal, but you get some privacy. And we also tint the front windshield too. Nice and clear, but heat rejection is still there. So you can go for those weekend cruises and feel comfortable on the inside.